Hello guys! I'm going to plant the Mystica penstemon, ornamental kale, pento-red geranium, and the vegetable slash fruit millionaire's eggplant. I changed the top 8 inches of the soil with potting mix which I bought yesterday. Incorporate a handful of the fertilizer of your choice. I'm going to plant them at the same level when I bought them. The easier way to remove a plant from its container is to squeeze the bottom portion and also the upper, but more on the bottom portion. I'm inserting the tags at the back so that next year I know what I have planted.
Kindly help me grow my channel by subscribing. Also like and share my videos. Have a great week ahead.